Hello everyone, I'm here today with a short lecture about the Microsoft Excel. I'm giving you some tips about the Microsoft Excel. I have prepared this is I am teaching the primary level students. Like I am standing before the class 9, like primary level. Okay, I have prepared this my teaching plan, lesson plan. We can see मतलब school subject topic and a topic spreadsheet concept. The objective of my class will be to impart the knowledge of basic concept of spreadsheet to the students, and the specific objectives of my class will be to make the students learn to start and work in spreadsheet. After completing my class, every student will be able to start the computer and open a Microsoft Excel file and simply work on it. Okay, and the teaching aids I will be using whiteboard, marker, projector, laser, duster in the class, but I am now making videos, so these teaching aids are not available here, or I am not showing you with the whiteboard, marker, projector, laser, duster. But actually, if I am running my class physically with the students, I will be using these teaching aids, and the preliminaries of my class will be I will check the visibility of the class. I'll check the writing materials. Is everybody carrying their writing materials or not, so that they could note the important points. I'll be forwarding them. Ensure the seating arrangement is the seating arrangement of the students well managed or not. This I have prepared this, and I have decorated this. Here we can this column includes the parts, and I will be running my class by dividing it into the two parts. And this is teachers pupil activities. Pupils mean students, the activities that will be conducted between the teacher and pupil will be mentioned here in this column. And this is teaching aids, what I am using to teach the students. This is learning outcome. What outcome can be seen after the class, during the class. This is evaluation. The evaluations means simply you can understand, test, or examine the knowledge level of the students, and this is the time taken to cover the topic. And I will be mentioning the time taken to cover the topic. Okay, now first of all, before entering into the class, I will be checking the level of motivation of the students. I have drawn a small picture of an example of the student. I am checking their motivation, level of motivation. Firstly, I am starting with the motivation. Before starting any class, it is necessary to check their motivation. Their morale should be high, so they will be attentive towards your class. First of all, I will be entering into the class, and I will be saying, "Good morning, students. Hi, good morning, students. I hope all of you is of good health. I am seeing that all of your faces are looking tired and bored. So I'll try to make you get rid of it. Please kindly close your eyes." I will be making their eyes closed, and I'll be taking you through a short 30 seconds of meditation, so that you can relieve from any stress. Okay, slowly close your eyes, and think slowly, and you should take your negative thoughts and your outside environment roaming in your mind out of the class. You are here in the educational premises, school. You are here to get effective and proper knowledge, or gain some education. So leave your negative thoughts and activities beyond the boundary of your class. Do you know one thing? Great minds discuss about ideas. Do you know? Great minds discuss about ideas. Average minds discuss about events, and small minds discuss about people. So Decide yourself what kind of mind you are thinking of creating or building up within you. So slowly open your eyes, keeping some blank space for filling up some fruitful information which I will be giving to you. Okay, then students, do you have writing materials with you? If not, you can share it with your bench partner, okay, so that you can note down the important points of this subject. Without delaying, let's discuss about our previous topic. Previously we have learned, I'll be checking the previous knowledge of the students, whether they have studied at their home or not. Previous topic we have studied about the uses of computers. So did you study it at your home? Tell the class any three uses of computer. Okay, any of your students will be stand up and asked, and they will be replying of banking, finance, educational sectors, it is etc. Okay, as you all know that the computer provides lots of benefits of each and every sectors. I will be clarifying the students more. Okay, as you all know that computers provides lots of benefits to the each and every sectors. Users of computer take the advantage of using some programs which is most essential factors for performing any task. Okay, using some programs which is most essential factors for performing any tasks. So could you please tell the class any program launched in it, launched through computer? Okay, could you tell me any programs? And they will be replying Microsoft Office or anything else. Okay, and then you will be clarifying the class. Okay, then let's go through the topic. Microsoft Office. Well, Microsoft Office is generally used in office purposes initially, so it is named as Microsoft Office. Okay, these all things I have done it in within 2 minutes. And creating positive environment, this means I have taken them through the 30 seconds of motivation or meditation. The positive environment is created in the class, okay, then. And the general information about the topic, I'll be giving the general information about the topic in this session. Okay, and I'll be using whiteboard, marker, duster as my teaching aids, and I will be increasing the concentration of the students, and I will be asking some questions so that they will be concentrated in their subject. I will be taking 6 minutes for this session. Okay, now let's talk about Office. Microsoft Office is generally used in the office purpose initially, so it is named as Microsoft Office. As you all know that it is our daily used, or we have used it in many sectors daily. Okay, we I think we all are familiar in this topic. Okay, and Microsoft Office is an application software which was developed and published by Microsoft Corporation in the year 1990. It was created in the year 1990. Remember it, okay, students? It is widely used in business and educational sectors, through which we can create, view and edit documents, spreadsheet presentation, and data entry on database. Okay, and regarding the history of the Microsoft Office, Bill Gates, who is amongst the richest person, all of you may know it. Bill Gates, who is amongst the richest person in the world, created a company named Microsoft Corporation on 4th April 1975. Okay, at the age of 20 years, his popular software are Windows, MS Surface, MS Edge, Office 365, namely MS Office. It is Office 365 means you should not have to confuse about it. This is Microsoft Office. And the Skype. Windows, we know that it is an operating system of a computer. MS Office. MS is it is a search engine of any computer, you know. Office 365 means MS Office, you know. And Skype, it is a popular video calling applications, you know. We have also used, we may used it. Among all of the above, MS Office is a collection of advanced application program which is used to create all types of official documents. And regarding the latest version of MS Office, MS Office 2019 is the latest version we are using. Okay, Satya Nadella is the CEO of the MS Office. Who is the CEO of the MS Office? Satya Nadella is the CEO of the MS Office. Did you get it? Okay, let's move on. MS Office consists of programs like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, and MS Access. MS Excel is one of the above in which we perform the mathematical and logical data. Okay. And in the next session, we'll be discussing about the various programs of MS Office. Okay. Our topic of this class will be no doubt MS Excel. What are the various programs under the Microsoft Office? I will be asking the students these questions, and I have drawn this picture. As a student. He is thinking and replying the questions of the teacher, and his knowledge is increasing. Upward, his knowledge is increasing as I am giving them the general information about the topic. Before entering through the topic, I would like to give you the general information about the MS Office. As you all know that we are going to discuss about the MS Excel now. Okay. First of all, it is necessary to give information about the MS Office. Okay, because MS Excel comes under this MS Office. Okay. First of all, MS Word. We use MS Word generally for creating documents, resume, letter, application, certificate, templates, and labels. Okay. Regarding MS Excel, it is used in business purposes. It is useful for accountant for preparing salary chart, billings, students results, mathematical calculation, etc. Okay. PPT stands for PowerPoint presentation. Okay. PowerPoint, it is generally used for preparing any presentation, text, images, sound, video, animation, etc. And regarding Access, it is used for database and data entry. For a better study and understanding, I will be running my class, dividing it into the two parts. And in the first part, we will be discussing about the introduction, basic concepts, and how to start with the MS Excel. And the second part will be study about the uses of MS Excel, importance of MS Excel, and where is the demand of the MS Excel. We will be discussing about the demand of MS Excel in the near future. Okay, and I am starting with the part 1. In part 1, firstly we will discuss about the introduction of MS Excel. This is the I have the logo of the MS Excel, you know. Discussing about the MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet or data sheet. It is in tabular format. It is used to create, open, edit, format, share, and print all types of official sheets. Its extension name is .xls .xls.x. Okay, I am saying again .xlsx. Okay, its extension name is this. First of all, I'll be showing you through the computer how to start with the spreadsheet. Okay, first of all, right click on the desktop icon and click on new and click on the Microsoft Excel. You will get a new file open on your desktop. Okay, I will be showing this starting of the spreadsheet concept through projector. Okay, and I will be using laser as my teaching aids, and I will be using projector and computer, and learning outcome will be the students knowledge is increasing upward. Okay, and I will be taking 8 minutes for this session. Okay, let's turn into the next session. And today we are diving under the topic Microsoft Excel generally. Microsoft Excel or spreadsheet consists of sets of rows and columns. The intersection between the rows and column is what we call a cells. Total of 17 billion cells are here, and at which we are working is called active cells. And I'll be showing it through one example. Here we can see a Excel sheet. Yeah. Here in the Excel sheets, this black border box is called cells, and this is A, B, C, D. Every column has its name. Okay, this is called columns. Okay, how many columns are there in Excel sheets? There are 16,384 columns in the Excel sheet, and this is called 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called rows of a Microsoft Excel. Okay, and Microsoft Excel, the vertical lines that we see in the Microsoft Excel is known as columns, and the horizontal lines that is under the Microsoft Excel is called rows. How many rows are there in the Microsoft Excel? There are 10,48,576 rows in a Microsoft Excel, and the intersection between the rows and column is called cells. Suppose this is column, this is rows, and these two are intersected each other and form a cells. It cells we can enter data, alphabets, numbers, anything else, and the cells we are working which we are working on it is known as active cells. Okay, at the down we can see the sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. This is called worksheet. This all forms to become a workbook in a Excel. Okay, and we can see here this is the formula bar. If we are using formula under it, the formula is shown over here. This is the home, we generally work on it. This is the most important part of the Excel sheet. Insert, you can insert any shapes, boxes, lines through by clicking on it. Page layout, you can set up your page layout, margins, and number of pages through this option. And formulas, you can enter formulas on various datas you are maintaining, for example any income and expenditure of your yearly calculations and data, review, view, developer, theme. Okay, this is through this you can exit this Excel file. By clicking on it, you can minimize it into the smaller size, and through this you can minimize into the toolbar. Okay, and at the top we can see so quick access toolbar. We can get save, undo, redo, or copy in this option. Row, we have already seen, this is called row. And column we have seen, this is called column. And column, formula bar, source bar. By clicking on Control F, you can get the source bar. You can get find Excel ribbon in it. Page view button, page layout, this is called page layout button. Okay, and this is title bar. I have already shown you, this is called minimize, maximize, and exit button. Sheet tab, this is called sheet tab. And sales, enter data, showing example of office supplies order in Excel through computer. If I have computer available this time, I will be showing you the example of any office supplies, maintaining their pricing of the items weekly. Although I am going through the topic. Okay, and I will be asking asking the students how to start the spreadsheet concept. They will be doing it through the computer. Okay, here comes an end of the phase 1. Okay, we have come to an end of the phase 1. Any students have, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, and so we will study about the uses of spreadsheet, importance and demand of spreadsheet in part 2. Okay, I will be using whiteboard, marker, and duster in this phase. And I'll be asking some questions to the students. And first of all, regarding the uses of spreadsheet, its uses is wide. है ना? Some daily uses of spreadsheet are balancing checkbook, calculating car loans, calculating student grades, household budgets. Excel is used in our daily life. For example, household budgets, we can maintain income and expenditure yearly through the Excel. Calculating student grades, in schools, teachers use the Excel file to maintain the students results also. Calculating car loans, for calculating car loans EMIs, we can use the formula in the Excel sheet. Other uses of Excel especially are used for simple list and complex calculation. Spreadsheet software is very versatile and can be used very simple and complex tasks. Create student data list, create salary slip. Many business organizations maintain their salary slip through the Excel file. Okay, attendance sheet, in school we can say attending sheets in the computer they maintain through the Excel sheets. Marriage on any function expenses, we can maintain the expenditure calculations through the Excels. Annual reports, budgeting and forecasting, creating charts, creating guest lists. Okay, these are the various uses of the spreadsheet we saw in our daily life. Okay, I will be asking the students, do you or your family use spreadsheet? Okay, they will be replying, tracking expenditure, खर्च जो होता है एक्सपेंडिचर इनकम, वो मतलब मेंटेन करने के लिए हम सभी ये यूज करते हैं. दे विल बी रिप्लाइंग दैट. ओके, आई होप सो. व्हाई डू बिजनेस यूज स्प्रेडशीट? बिजनेस में क्यों यूज करते हैं ये? For maintaining payroll, I have already told about this. Payroll means the salary chart, है ना? Salary chart maintain करने के लिए. Financial statements for a business, profit and loss. Many business organizations maintain their profit and loss accounts through the help of Microsoft Excel. I will be taking 8 minutes for these sessions. Okay. Let's go through the importance of spreadsheet. Generally we can say that it saves a lots of time. It stores data in a minimum space, easy to analyze data. I will be using whiteboard, marker and duster in this session, and I will be giving the conclusion and revise the knowledge of the topic for the students, and I will be taking 8 minutes for this session. Okay, isn't it nice? I have maintained well. What is the demand of my spreadsheet concept? Let's talk about the demand of spreadsheet in the near future or present too. Spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel is used in shopping mall. We can see there accounting line, medical shop, government job, business, college, university, engineering line, marketing, etc. and so on. Okay students, we come to an end of the phase 2. Let's conclude the summary of the spreadsheet concept. We have covered basic concepts which are essential in various fields of the finance to data analysis with practically, and I hope you will be able to use the Excel in your practical life, and okay, you will be able to harness the power of spreadsheet. Okay, any doubts in the 2 phases you can ask me. Okay, and students, write your homework. Starting spreadsheet. Okay, write the steps of starting spreadsheet, and write about the shortcut keys used in the MS Excel. I will be covering in the next class. I will be telling you some shortcut keys are used in MS Excel. Before that, you will be writing this some shortcut keys in your home, and come after studying it in a short time. Okay. I will be asking these questions to the students, and why spreadsheet is important. Sure, they will be saying the time, storage. Okay, where is the most common use of MS Excel? Business, education, etc. and so on. Okay, and here comes we comes to an end of the lesson. Okay, here the assessor who will assess my lesson will write the comments on it. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Keep supporting, keep loving, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it. Okay, keep supporting for Louded Vlogs. Okay, thank you so much.